Lee Sung Soon, Gallery PAC, thank you. Sleepy AJ, hello. Thank you for dropping by, Sleepy AJ. Oh, did you change channel name, Sleepy AJ? And let me pin muna. So, if you're not connected with each other, feel free to go to each other's channel, okay? Sleepy AG, and there's Gallery PSP. Okay, let's continue. Jason Ghost Hunter. Hi there, drop in to show support from Sydney, Australia. Hello, Jason. Yeah, feel free to go to each other's channel if you connect with each other, okay? And live, Kansamnida. Hello, hello. Welcome to the live stream live. Our friend from Korea. And there's Lee Sung Soon also, yeah. So there's live. She's a singer, a lovely Korean singer. Okay, let's continue. Thank you. Suddenly every time you were near, just like me, I long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, I long to be close to you. The day that you were born, we will start together. Silent and brave, the dream come true. So I sprinkle colors in your hair, flow and starlight in your eyes of blue. That's why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. All right, live chat on Thursday. Oh, hope to see each and everyone there. The day that you is what you feel, and it's hard to believe it will come true. So it's sprinkle us in the hair of all starlight and your eyes of blue. That's why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Close to